Which one of the following is diamagnetic? A. Nickel. B. Iron. C. Bismuth. D. Cobalt. And the answer is C. Bismuth. The audible frequency range of a human ear is A. 2 Hz to 20 Hz. B. 20 Hz to 200 Hz. C. 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. D. 200 Hz to 2000 Hz. And the answer is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Rocket works on the principle of A. Conservation of momentum. B. Conservation of mass. C. Conservation of energy. D. None of these. And the answer is conservation of momentum. The diode is a device which forces the current A. Not to flow in any direction. B. To flow in both directions. C. To flow in one direction. D. None of these. And the answer is to flow in one direction. Which one of the following reactions is the main cause of the energy radiation from the sun? A. Diffusion reaction. B. Chemical reaction. C. Fission reaction. D. Fusion reaction. And the answer is fusion reaction. The magnet is strongest near the A. On equator point from the poles of the magnet. B. Center of magnet. C. Ends of the magnet. D. Poles of the magnet. And the answer is poles of the magnet. Ocean depth can be measured by A. Fathometer. B. Audiometer. C. Actinometer. D. Barometer. And the answer is fathometer. In a filament type light bulb, most of electric power consumed appears as A. LED light. B. Infrared rays. C. Ultraviolet rays. D. Fluorescent light. And the answer is infrared rays. The device dynamo is used to convert A. Electrical energy into mechanical energy. B. Electrical energy into heat energy. C. Mechanical energy into electrical energy. D. None of these. And the answer is mechanical energy into electrical energy. Which of the following principles is associated with optical fiber? A. Scattering. B. Interference. C. Total internal reflection. D. Refraction. And the answer is total internal reflection. Which metal is used for the manufacturing of heating elements used in electric iron? A. Chromium. B. Nichrome. C. Lead. D. Nickel. Answer is nichrome. Longitudinal waves cannot travel through A. Liquid. B. Fixed dimension. C. Vacuum. D. Gas. And the answer is vacuum. Which color of light shows maximum deviation when passed through a prism? A. Yellow. B. Violet. C. Green. D. Red. And the answer is violet. A transformer works on the principle of A. Self-induction. B. Electrical inertia. C. Mutual induction. D. Magnetic effect of the electrical current. And the answer is mutual induction. Magnetic moment for solenoid and corresponding bar magnet is A. Equal for both. B. More for solenoid. C. More for bar magnet. D. None of these. And the answer is equal for both. A hemisphere is uniformly charged positively. The electric field at a point on a diameter away from the center is directed A. Perpendicularly to the diameter. B. Parallel to the diameter. C. At an angle tilted towards the diameter. D. At an angle tilted away from the diameter. And the answer is perpendicular to the diameter. Equipotential at a great distance from a collection of charges whose total sum is not zero are approximately A. Spheres. B. Planes. C. Paraboloids. D. Ellipsoids. And the answer is spheres. A myopic eye can be corrected by using a plano convex lens, B. Cylindrical lens, C. Concave lens, D. Convex lens. Answer is concave lens. The rate of change of linear momentum of a body falling freely under gravity is equals to its dash. A. Kinetic energy, B. Weight, C. Potential energy, D. Impulse. And the answer is weight. The product of mass and velocity is called potential energy, B. Momentum, C. Force, D. Kinetic energy. And the answer is momentum.